Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. Today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper. Today's topic is groundbreaking. As the Ram temple gets under the way, India must put the past of communal struggles behind. Means after a lot of struggles, Ram Mandir was being constructed. So it has faced a lot of struggles to begin this construction. So it is saying that India has faced a lot of struggles. The Bhumi Puja or groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the grand temple for Lord Sri Ram in Ayodhya on Wednesday marks an end and beginning. Means it is saying that the Bhumi Puja means they are starting it. The Bhumi Puja ceremony for the constructions means it is the starting for the construction of grand temple, means for Lord Sri Ram. They are constructing a temple for Lord Sri Ram in Ayodhya, and it was begun on Wednesday. What it ends and what it begins can both be interrupted in different ways. Means the beginning and the ending of this temple may be in different ways. How India collectively makes meanings out of it will define the future of country hereon. Means after the construction of temple, they are believing that it may change, some changes may take place. One view is that the raising Ram temple signifies the end of perceived humiliation of Hindus. Means it is saying that the construction of Ram temple signifies the end of means perceived humanity. Means not like that. It is saying that the raising of this temple may, it is saying that it may change the future. The other is that it denotes the end of strife that shackled India's potential for decades, and hurdles a new dawn of fraternity among religious communities. Means it is saying that it may also connect to, means it may also increase the relationship between some other parties. The end and the beginning therefore are not just open in interruption. Means the beginning of the Ram Mandir and ending of the Ram Mandir may not be in the same way. They hold the possibilities of change. Means they make some changes. There are the possibilities of changes for those who earned for the temple at the site which they believe is the exact spot of Sri Ram's birth. The journey so far has been violent. Means it is saying that the birth, means this Ram Mandir was constructed at the exact birthplace of the Lord Sri Ram. So means so far it is so violent. Means the birth of Lord Sri Ram was so, means a lot of struggles were faced. A Muslim place of worship that stood there for 464 years was demolished in 1992 to make a way for the temple. Means it is a Muslim, they used to be a, means they used to worship Muslim god at that place. Since 464 years they were worshipping there. and it was demolished in 1992. A serious crime, according to the Supreme Court order last year, that handed over the site to Hindus. Means after a lot of struggles and a lot of problems, the Supreme Court has given that land to Hindus. The proponents of the temple must consider this an occasion to seek consolation over conquest, dialogue over diatribe. Means it is saying that they should consider this as some seek consolation over conquest. Means it is saying that they have faced a lot of problems to construct this. The ceremony itself manifested multiple possibilities for the country's future. Means the beginning of this temple has manifested multiple possibilities. Means there are a lot of possibilities for the country's future. In symbolization, as the line of separation between state and religion was ominously crossed, notably by the role of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in it. Means the role of Narendra Modi was important in this, because of him this Ram Mandir was constructed, means it was being constructing successfully. In his speech, however, he cited Lord Rama's to justice. Means he has given a speech before beginning of this. Means it was Lord Rama's, means he's saying there are all rights to construct this temple, and fairness and empathy for the valiander. Means there are some he said he has given some speech, and it was very fair, and it was, means it was right. He emphasized the importance of these values for the present. Means he said the importance of temples for all the people. But while outlining a roadmap for an inclusive future, his interpretation of the past echoed familiar tropes of scrutiny politics. Means because of this, it has we have a bright, means we have a map for an inclusive future. Means future, we have many possibilities in future because of this. In India's case, many of them are an outcome of its unpleasant encounter with British colonialism. Recent path-breaking studies in genetics have untreated India's past of being a melting pot of population. Means it is saying that in past India has a lot of population because of some fights, because of some fights between Pakistan. We have lost so many people. Now we'll discuss some of the meanings from this. Okay, inclusive, including all the services. Means it is saying that including all the services means including all. Okay, we'll discuss an example for this. Our aim is to create a fairy, more inclusive society. Means their aim is to create a inclusive society. Means including all the services. Acrimonious, angry, bitter speech or discussion. Means angry, being means so angry. After the acrimonious debate, the proposal was adopted. Means after so many fights, this proposal was adopted. Cartography. Cartography means relating to the science of drawing maps. Means it is saying that the drawing of maps is called cartography. He started his own cartographic printing company. Next, assert. Declare. Assert means declare. The minister asserted that he had no intention of resigning. Means the minister has declared that he has no opinion of resigning. Ominously means suggestion that something bad is going to happen. Means something bad is going to happen. Clouds has gathered ominously. Means the clouds has gathered so dark and something bad is going to happen. Adherence. Adherence means community to a person, cause or belief. Means belief. He has adherence on God. Means he has a belief on God. Thank you.